So I started off with blow drying my hair. I sprayed a heat protectant and then I used this to blow dry the hair to help achieve very neat braids. And yeah, this is what it looked like. I did it on low heat and this is what it looked like. I don't know why I was excited though. So I started off with this braids at the back. You guys take a moment to appreciate how neat these braids look. But this will help you avoid crowded neck, especially if you're going to do multiple cornrows or fitting braids. Like I was going to do over 10, and if you're a beginner, this will help you with your parts to avoid that crowded neck. Okay, so I sectioned my hair from the center and I packed one so that I will work with half. And yeah, I try to get a neat part. So another tip that will help you achieve neat braids is to try to have neat parts. You don't have to, it doesn't have to be perfect, but just try to get it as neat as you can. So I'm going to start off with the first method. So I started with cornrowing my hair without the extension. I think I did like 4 or 5. I wasn't really counting it, but when I got to a particular point, then I'll start adding extensions just to avoid the front being too bulky, and so it will just blend seamlessly when I start adding the extensions. So I'll just add it to the top, hold the bottom part between my thumb and index finger, braid with it, and then add the top part and continue. So I'll keep quiet so that you can see. I did it multiple times, different angles, and at some point I took it really slowly so that you can see it. Okay. So I'm going to be doing the second method now, and I just cornrow for a bit and then loop the extensions in between my thumb and index finger and continue braiding with it. Okay. So here you feed in from the side rather than the other one that I was doing like from the top. So you feed in from the sides, loop it in between your thumb and index finger, and then keep braiding. So I'm going to be doing the very first method on this side, just so that you can have a side view of what it looks like. Just let me know in the comment section if you're finding this video helpful, and if you do, don't forget to like as well. Thank you. So doing my braids at the back helps me with my pattern and also help prevent that crowded back or crowded neck area. And I think it also helped with my edges, so I wasn't pulling my edges all the way to the back. Now at the tip of my braid, I would add some extensions because I was going for a particular size. I didn't want it to be too thin, so yeah, I like the size that I went for. And yeah, when I was done, I trimmed and I put my hair in hot water as well so that it's quite neater. Now if you really enjoyed this video, just let me know in the comment section. Also don't forget to like and also to subscribe for more videos like this. I will try my best to link some of the products that I use to achieve this hairstyle in the description box, so do well to check it out as well.